Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to use Apple Music Sync on iPhone and iPad. Recently Apple launched the iOS 16.2 update for the iPhone and iPad users. In iOS 16.2 update, after Apple Music Sync features launch, lot of users to say how to use Apple Music Sync on my iPhone and iPad. Second question is Apple Music Sync option is not showing on my iPhone and iPad. These two questions answer I give you in this video. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now the first one's question is Apple Music Sync option is not showing on my iPhone and iPad. While Apple Music Sync is not available on all Apple devices, most of users can use these features. Still, you must be meet few requirements before the starting singing. Now the first one requirement is iPhone 11 and later devices supported Apple Music Sync option. Now the second requirement is iPad 3rd generations or newer running iPad OS 16.2 or above. And third one new requirement is Apple TV 4K 2022 running TV OS 16.2 or newer. Now the second question is how to use Apple Music Sync on my iPhone and iPad. These features available for the Apple Music subscription users. Now the first of all, open the Apple Music on your iPhone and iPad. Open the Apple Music applications. Now top corner search and play any Apple Music Sync supported song on your iPhone and iPad. Now tap on the hit the lyrics icon on the left bottom. Now tap on the Sing mic with the star icon on right hand side, enter the Apple Music Sing option. When you enter the Sing mode, the vocal will be at the lowest volume possible. You can change the volume of the swiping up and down the Sing icon. Now this way too you can easily iOS 16.2 update after you can use the Apple Music Sing features on your iPhone and iPad. If you don't get these options now, please make sure download install iOS 16.2 versions on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.